guest natin si Bishop Roger. Good morning po, Cora, and all the visitors and friends of Sister Arlene, mga business associates. Magandang umaga. It's an honor and privilege po na ako ay maatasan na i-dedicate itong negosyo nito sa Panginoon. Kaya bago po tayo mag-umpisa ay inaanyayahan po kayo na meron po isang awit na simpleng awit na ito, and I'm sure alam nyo din, give thanks. Awitin po muna natin ito. Let's sing. Give thanks. Ready? Sing.
Give thanks
with a grateful heart.
Give thanks to the Holy One.
Give thanks because it's given Jesus Christ. Give thanks.
Give thanks
with a grateful heart.
Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because it's given Jesus Christ
His Son.
And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks.
We give thanks. Tayo po'y panalangin, Panginoon, sa umaga nito kami po ay nagpapasalamat at nagpupuri po sa inyong pangalan. Sa pagkakataong ito na kami ay magkasama-sama upang pagpasalamat ito pong negosyo ito, itong gawain ito para sa iyo. Ang dalangin po namin ay ikaw ang mabigyan ng karangalan, papuri sa oras na ito sa aming pagtatalaga ng negosyo ito. Sa iyo po ang karangalan sa pangalan ni Jesus.
Amen.
Nais ko pong basahin ang Psalm 19. At ganito po ang sinasabi, the heavens are telling the glory of God, and the expanse is declaring the work of His hands. Day to day pours forth speech, and night to night reveals knowledge. There is no speech, nor are there words, their voice is not heard. Their line has gone out to all the earth, and their utterances to the end of the earth. In them He has placed a tent for the sun, which is a bridegroom coming out of his chamber. It rejoices a strong man who runs his course. Its rising is from one end of the heaven, and its servant to the other end of them. And there's nothing hidden from its feet. The law of the Lord is perfect, restoring the soul. The testimony of the Lord is sure, making wise the simple. The precepts of the Lord are right, rejoicing the heart. The commandment of the Lord is pure, enlightening the eyes. The fear of the Lord is clean, enduring forever. The judgments of the Lord are true, they are righteous altogether. They are more desirable than gold, yes, than much fine gold. Sweeter also than honey and the drippings of the honeycomb. Moreover, by them your servant is warned. In keeping them there is a great reward. Who can discern his errors? With me of hidden faults. Also keep back your servant from presumptuous sins. Let them not rule over me. Then I will be blameless, and I shall be acquitted of great transgression. Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in your sight, O Lord, my rock and my redeemer. Okay lang po ba sa inyo na tayo?